Okay. Hey, be careful! Oh, be careful! Wow! Oh, be careful! Be careful, please. I cannot stand here. Maybe drop on the very deep here. Do you know very deep here?
It's my car. Look at how beautiful it is.
Oh, so beautiful. And the green car is yours.
I so like green. It's my favorite color.
This is the favorite color. Okay.
Yeah.
And what's I want another one, please. I want to talk to them. What's your name?
My name is. My name is Green Dog.
Oh, green dog? No. I want to speak with you. I want to speak with you.
Your car.
Why? Where is my car? My God. Where is my car? Please give me that one.
Look at it.
Can you bring that my car, please?
Come on.
Yeah, you can. Oh, what?